Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Gang. Okay, in this lesson, we'll look at what the entire TCP interaction process looks like. Let's remove the beginning and end, and only look at the communication information interaction process. Okay, there's a simple log here. This log may not be accurate. The actual situation should be based on the code. So first, after our TCP connection is successfully established, we will receive the 220 message. This message means we have connected to the QQ service. After the connection is successful, then we need to send EHLO and HYOPC. After sending, then if everything is normal, we will receive a response starting with code 250, such a service. This is the information he received from the service. After receiving it, this corresponds to this piece of code. So here we are. Going to send an AUTH LOGIN function. After sending it, the server side will return a 334 code. This thing is meant to let you send the username. You can see we are doing a simple decoding here. You can see. Let's take a look at the decoding. I'm missing something here. Let me check. Okay, we have decoded it. It's just this thing, right? So this is where we need to send the username. This is 334. We will send our username over here because our username here, as you can see, is this. Okay, but this token is wrong. This token was just randomly written by me. And if this thing here, it asks you to send the characters of this token, not your QQ password. Let us emphasize again, it is not your QQ password, and after the token verification passes here, we send this token over. After sending it, it tells you that the verification is passed after completing the level. We can set the information. So it's this. This is 334, corresponding to this 334. Let's look below. After completing it, then it will ask you to send this mail service. That is, who sends this email. Then after our 334 is completed, the next stage is successful login. Here it tells you 230. R25 tells you the login was successful. Then we directly send this mail plaque to 12. Rangus over. After sending mail PYF brang, it will return a 255. 2, 1, pre means success. Then we take this reserve tool. That is who exactly receives it. We send it over. Then it returns another 250. So this 250 is the reserve tool. Right here, this 250 corresponds to this. After successful completion. Next, we will send our card, send our specific data. You see, the data is this data. So this data is actually a series of concatenated subtitle strings. So we send this data over to it. In the end, it will return a 354. This means it has already received this data. Then at the very end, when you finish the data, you need to do a CRLF, in the case that your data transmission is complete. So here we sent this data, right? Okay, here we have this 354. Now we can prepare to end this data. This part is the CRLF. It corresponds to this. It corresponds to his. So we send the data first. We may need to send the data many times before it's all sent. At the end, we send the CRLF. Okay, after sending is complete, at that point, wow, we'll return something like a 250. Okay, that means success. Then finally we say complete. Then queen, we exit. Then it says, okay, when exiting, he will give you this. That is, give you some by. This is not by itself. This is by. I misread it. Last lesson. Sorry about that. This small issue. Then here it exits. So the entire interaction flow is he sends you a message. Then you send him a message. Then he sends you another message. You send him another message. And if there is an error in between, we will take this connection. We will close the TCP connection. Roughly, this is the communication process. I hope everyone finds it relatively clear. It should be.